All right, guys. So after we picked the power plant for the project, the next idea was to figure out what we were going to do for turbochargers. We pretty much almost exclusively use Garrett turbochargers at the shop. They just came out with a new series. It's the G series. It's similar architecture as like the GTX 3584 RS, I believe, only smaller. So we thought about doing single. There's a lot of benefits to doing single. We're already doing something that's as wild as it is now, so we thought, why don't we do twin turbos? I mean, the FD came with twin turbos. Why not do twin turbos? So talked to Garrett, got these turbos from ATP. That's who we get most of our turbocharging components through. They were kind enough to get us set up with these G Series 660s. So each one of these bad boys is able to pump out 660 horsepower. I think what they had in mind with these things was a Porsche application, if I'm not mistaken, for a twin turbo setup, or even just high output singles that spool really fast. 3-inch ported shroud. They got a V-band CHRA with a V-band turbine housing as well. We went with a 0.91 AR on the hot side for the build for both of these. So rotaries like to breathe. There's not a whole lot of data about, well, I don't think there's any data actually about this application on a rotary at this point, at least not from Garrett directly. So the engineers just said, hey, give this a shot. So that's kind of what we're doing. And we're going to see. So we're going to be logging with the Infinity our turbine wheel speed through the speed sensor that's built into the covers on these things. Yeah, so we're pretty stoked about that. So once we start building the exhaust manifold, I'll show you guys how these things get situated in the engine bay. It's going to be pretty cool to package two turbos with a rotary in a Subaru.